So let us work on simple practice, and we will do the practice with knowledge and understanding. So first, close your eyes.
Can we do a practice that's not with the heavy breathe, the fast breathing
Oh
thing?
yes, yes, yes. I thought like this. Eyes are closed. Eyes are closed. So if we don't do any active step, that includes what you say, that includes the breathing and the other stuff, demands more attention. So eyes are closed. Feel the eyes are closed. One thing. So when you feel it, it means I know, means I for you. I know and I feel, I experience. Eyes are closed. That makes you aware. That makes you aware. Become aware. Now look at the entire body. Look at the body from head to the toes. Look means look means moving the mind, or I would say knowing that the mind is moving from the head to the toes. So when it moves from the head to the toes, I'm making it simpler. You experience the sensation in the body. You experience the sensation in the body. And you also experience a kind of steadiness in the body. Just check if the body moves, it means if the body moves, what it means? It simply means the mind is moving. Mind is. So don't allow the mind to move, bring it back. That is what the play says. Being comfortable, being comfortable. So, in being comfortable is the change of direction of the mind. The moment we wake up, the mind says, I have 50 things to do. In deep sleep, in deep sleep, you don't have anything to do. So, being comfortable means that consciously, instead of looking, instead of looking at the world, you are looking inside yourself. Inside. Why? To raise your awareness. I'm just making you understand. So why to raise your awareness? To help the mind to drop delusion. That is what we discussed.